Hey everyone, Scott here, and this is the International Garden Hotel, Narita Airport. Now, I'm talking a little bit quiet because this is it's kind of a small, I don't know what the word is. It is a very dense hotel. Okay, there's a lot of rooms here, and I don't know how thin the walls are, and it looks like it's going to be a full house tonight. It was busy down in the lobby. And I've probably got neighbors and these walls are thin, so I'm not going to be so loud. Anyway, this is my room. And I tell you what, when I walked in here, I thought this is probably one of the most basic hotels that I have ever been in. It is extremely basic, but that is okay because I only paid $73.60 US for this. That includes everything, taxes, all the fees, everything, and what a deal. I mean, it's kind of close to Narita Airport here in Tokyo, just outside of Tokyo. It was about a 25-minute shuttle bus ride, about a 20-minute ride, and not too bad. It's definitely not the closest hotel to Narita, but that's fine. For 73 bucks, I'll take this. It is very basic. I mean, all the furniture is kind of old, kind of vintage. TV it's like 2005, but I'll take it. This is okay. All I really care about anyway is this bed. That looks good. And then yeah, I don't know. It is not fancy. I mean, this shot right here just sums up the vibe of this entire room. It's what I'm feeling. It's just basic. Anyway, let's check out the bathroom. I haven't even seen this yet. Let's see. Turn on the light here. And yeah, it's definitely a bathroom. It's a Japanese bathroom though. You got a fancy toilet. I like that. And then just a simple shower, tub. Nothing wrong with that. Simple vanity. Okay, mirror. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of Grandma's house. I don't know, just with all this trim up here. And I just noticed the ceilings are very low. Welcome to Japan, I guess. Got some nice soaps there. I can smell it. It smells good. Definitely smells good in here. Stepping on that. And there is a refrigerator. Yes, and actually, I should mention there is a 7-Eleven downstairs. A convenience store in the lobby. So whatever you need, snacks, drinks, whatever, you can fill your fridge up with that. Got some tea, hot water maker. I already mentioned the 2005 TV. And then simple desk. And then, you know, you're in a Japanese hotel room. You got an air purifier here. That's nice. And then the view, I'll show you what this looks like. And I'll overlay some video clips of what this looks like during the day. I mean, you can't really see anything. I'm basically overlooking a parking lot. Looks like there's some sort of industrial stuff going on back there, and then greenery. There's like a little forest in a mountain, but I'll overlay what that is. But yeah, I can't really complain about this. This is very vintage. This control panel right here, very 1960s, 1970s. I like that. It's kind of cool. Clock's not working. Oh well, doesn't matter. I've got a 5 p.m. flight out of Narita back to San Francisco tomorrow. I don't need to get up early. I'm going to sleep in as late as possible. Checkout time is 11 a.m., so I just got to be up before then. So, yeah, for 73 bucks, I cannot complain. If you have any questions about this property, what it's like to stay here, feel free to ask. Drop your question down in the comment section below. I will get to it as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. After I sleep, though, of course.